In today's video, I want to talk about a question that I get asked fairly frequently. But Dr. Julie, what if I have a color deficiency? Can I actually benefit from something like Syntonics? Well, before I go into that, let's talk about how you can connect with me. If you're local, call me at 618-288-1489. If you're not local, that's okay. Go to our website at visionforlifeworks.com. You can certainly read some of our success stories, read information we have on there, but if you're ready to take the next step and see how we might be able to help you, we'll then schedule a consultation. Now, let's go back and talk about, can someone who has a disturbance in their color vision benefit from Syntonics? I mean, it is light color based after all, and if they can't see yellow or they can't see blue or green or purple, how is that really going to help them? Well, the interesting thing about Syntonics is that the wavelength of light affects the brain whether or not the eye can perceive the color. And interestingly enough, I have had some people who are color deficient who've been improved in their color deficiency by doing Syntonics. What? So what happens is that because the wavelength of light is altering how the brain is processing certain components of vision, it has happened before that some color deficiencies have gotten better, where patients are better able to tell things like blues and greens, where maybe they couldn't do that before Syntonics. So are we using Syntonics because the person's color deficient? No. But a byproduct of doing Syntonics with specific sequence of filters and a protocol developed to help the brain really go through a healing process with vision, then yes, a color deficient individual may notice that they can process colors better. But let's go back to the original question. If they have a color deficiency, can they be improved by using Syntonics with whatever their visual problem is? Let's say they're amblyopic, or they have strabismus, or they've lost some of their vision, or they have optic atrophy or something like that, traumatic brain injury, convergence insufficiency. And the answer is yes, because again, the wavelength of light is changing and altering something about how the brain is processing vision. It does not have to be seen by the brain, by the eye, so the color itself doesn't have to be visible in order to make the change within the brain. That's really cool. And it's also super cool to find out that some of those patients who maybe have a color deficiency sometimes can actually even see an improvement in that color deficiency after they've gone through Syntonics. Now, if you're really intrigued by that, and maybe you have some visual problems that are going on, maybe you even do have a color deficiency associated with other visual problems, then reach out to us. You can call us at 618-288-1489. If you're not local, that's okay too. Go to our website at visionforlifeworks.com. Again, feel free to rummage around and read some of the information on there, but you can also schedule a consultation if you'd like to talk with me about how we might be able to help you. Now, if you've not done so already, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you know someone this could be beneficial to, please pass this on. Thank you.